I don't know if you can hear that, but it is storming out like mad. Raining like crazy. This is the heaviest so far, but it's been doing this for like probably an hour or more. That can't be good for the flooding up here. I mean, I know that they were put out a weather warning for tonight, but today they weren't talking about our water going up any. But this can't be good. And it's crossing the province, so. No lightning yet. Just heavy, heavy rain and some strong wind. May not see it in the camera, but I can see that street light. The rain, like in bands. So we've got this storm tonight, and then possibly very strong winds tomorrow morning, and then Sunday night. It's going to be beautiful Saturday tomorrow and the night, and then Sunday, and then Sunday night it all goes to hell in a handbasket until Tuesday. Apparently lots of rain. North part of the province might get snow. Looks like we're getting into the lightning now. I'm using my cell phone, so probably look like crap. If there's any more. Little rumble. Of course. Come on. I was looking at the weather radar, as good as that's going to be, but it looks like throughout the night, it's almost 1 now. I think there's another band that comes across like around 2:33. And there's a big band that was like about at 3:34, I think. The radar was off. Like, I didn't see any lightning predicted in the radar information until much later on. But they tried their best. And no lightning. Come on. There's a taxi. That's pretty awesome. Come on, lightning. Getting tired of holding this. Ugh. Does sound like the rain's letting off. So you know, to switch it off, it's going to happen. I mean, you know it and I know it. Alright, 2 minutes and 23. Yeah. Oh. There was a good flash when I shut it off. But I only shut it off for about a minute or two.